Hi kids, learn with me. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, meow meow, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fairy, Z for giraffe, H for house, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for mango, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for question, R for ring, S for swan, T for train, U for umbrella, V for vase, W for wedding, X for xylophone, Y for yellow, Z for zoo.